Push-ups are one of the most effective bodyweight exercises when it comes to building muscle. Many fitness enthusiasts take on challenges like performing 100 push-ups a day for 30 days to see noticeable changes. But you may be wondering, can doing push-ups every day really help you gain muscle? This video will answer that and provide you with tips for the best results. Be sure to stick around until the end. Let's start by talking about which muscles benefit from push-ups. This exercise mainly targets the chest muscles, and many individuals report seeing visible improvements within just 30 days. But that's not all. Push-ups also engage your deltoids, triceps, and even your biceps. While the triceps and biceps typically have opposing functions, during push-ups, they both play essential roles. The triceps help extend the arm at the elbow, while the biceps assist in raising the shoulder towards the torso. So, push-ups are a powerful, multi-joint exercise that activates almost half of your upper body muscles. Aside from improving your physical appearance, incorporating push-ups into your daily routine can help boost your endurance. You'll find it easier to push yourself through longer workouts, and you'll notice improvements in your cardiovascular health and overall stamina. Additionally, the physical exertion of push-ups can trigger the release of endorphins, enhancing your mood and promoting a sense of well-being. But is it wise to push yourself to the limit every day? Should you try doing 100 push-ups daily until exhaustion? If you're new to push-ups, pushing yourself too hard daily can lead to overtraining, which may increase levels of catabolic hormones and deprive your muscles of the time they need to recover. Push-ups are intense enough to put your muscles into anaerobic mode, and that can overwhelm the same muscle groups if done repeatedly. So it's better to perform push-ups at around 80% of your capacity and gradually build up your strength. Try adding push-ups to your morning workout routine. Regular push-ups are an excellent way to build muscle tone, improve your cardiovascular system, and boost blood circulation. Over time, this can result in firmer, stronger arms, chest, and shoulders. You'll find yourself becoming more resilient compared to others of a similar age, which will enhance your overall health and longevity. Now, to make sure you're performing push-ups correctly, let's cover some key points. Pay attention to your body position. Your body should form a straight line from head to heels. Avoid letting your head or butt stick out. Next, there's the 90-degree rule. When you lower yourself, your arms should create a right angle. And when you push back up, ensure your arms are almost fully extended. Keep your head straight, focusing on the floor as you perform each rep. If you want to make your push-ups more challenging, try different variations, like doing them on your fists or elevating your feet. Both of these changes will intensify the exercise, pushing your muscles even further. Keep in mind, though, that although 100 push-ups in one go might seem achievable, doing them every single day can become mentally taxing. It's best to break the challenge into smaller sets. For example, try doing 5 sets of 20 push-ups. If 100 push-ups a day sounds too challenging for you, start with something more manageable. Even 20 push-ups spread over a few sets can yield great results. As you progress, you'll find that increasing your reps will become easier, and you'll build the stamina necessary to reach your goal. While you may come across videos online showing impressive results from doing 100 push-ups a day for a month, it's important to listen to your body and avoid overtraining. Remember, consistency and proper recovery are key to maintaining good health and seeing real progress. Push-ups are an incredible exercise, but like all good things, they should be approached wisely. I hope you found this video helpful. Let us know how many push-ups you can do in the comments below. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.